If you've finally decided to stop microwaving all your food, then this video is for you.
Okay, so today I'm excited to share with you how to warm up this tandoori chicken bowl. It comes with a green chutney and a cool yogurt sauce. It looks delicious and I think it's gonna be incredible and super fresh if you use a Pacuzzi to heat it with the power of steam. The Pacuzzi is so easy to use, you guys. All you need is a pan, 1 ounce of water, a Pacuzzi, and a lid. So let's unwrap this meal and get it ready to insert into our pan. So we're just gonna need to insert our Pacuzzi by pressing it into our pan. Notice how it sticks to the bottom of the pan. And then we just need 1.5 ounces of water to pour inside the Pacuzzi and just give it a minute for it to boil. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna need to put down the baker's mat so that our trade meal can sit right on top of the pan to cook with the power of steam right inside our skillet. Now we're gonna just add that wonderful green chutney sauce right on top of our food. And then we're going to cover it with a lid and let this power of steam do all the cooking for us. Generally, these meals can take anywhere between 20 to 40 minutes after your oven is warmed up to heat properly. But with a Pacuzzi, we only need to wait like 6 or 7 minutes and we have this glorious, amazing, chef-inspired, steaming hot food delivered in 6 to 7 minutes, which is an incredible thing. Look at over here, our temperature of our food is already at 176, which is beyond safe. In terms of heating, we're gonna add our cool yogurt sauce to finish off this wonderful meal. And there you have it. That's all it takes to cook a wonderful meal using a Pacuzzi right inside your skillet. And look at that. There's absolutely no cleanup needed. And this food tastes so delicious and so yummy. And it's honestly the best and healthiest way to reheat these meals. Make sure you reserve your Pacuzzi today.